Okay, we are back to the 360 camera viewing room again. Today we are in this Joaquim suite, right?
Yes.
In Sofitel Singapore City Centre. So this is another 360 effect camera, so you can use your camera to turn around, use your camera
use your finger
to drag around.
Yeah.
So now we are at the entrance, the hall area of this suite, and the very first thing you'll see on your right side, it will be the guest washroom. It looks like this, and quite pretty decent set. So when your guests when they come in and say, oh, I want to pee, they ask them to come here. And they provide this soap from Hermes. It smells wonderful. Okay, let's go. So Sean, where shall we go?
Over here it's where maybe you can put your shoes. And as you proceed into the space, right?
Let's go to the front.
There is a working desk on the right hand side.
You have to turn a little bit here.
And then you can actually appreciate the space over here.
Yeah.
It's quite sizable. And cat kits are also provided in the Joaquim suite. The chair looks very comfortable.
Yeah, it has a head support right over here.
Alright.
And is it adjustable?
No. Okay, so that's that. And then if you, these are the standard writing materials that has been provided for as well. Very well equipped, we must say. And as you pan the image towards the other side is where the living space is. You have to turn over here. Maybe I bring the camera over. It's a high ceiling, so it looks really spacious and not claustrophobic at all. There's a very nice big sofa over here for you to lounge in while you watch TV. Yeah, do you know that actually this room, they also open for birthday party, conference event, and a small private function, but no big party allowed in this hotel at all. Currently, currently, because of the circuit breaker measure, only 5 pax maximum if you book their birthday bash package, which includes all the amenities as part of the birthday bash package. So behind Jim is where there's a nice lounge chair to sit and enjoy the view outside. We open the curtain later. Yeah, and then as you proceed further into the space, we can walk over. That's where the dining area is, and you can see that it accommodates a total of 10 pax. So the dining table is long enough to accommodate 10 pax. And same thing, the concept is similar to the Ritz-Carlton Presidential Suite because you can dine and then take in the city view as well. And then over here is an island kitchen tabletop, so the host can actually prepare some food and interact with the diners over there. It's perfect for a cooking show, you know. Yeah, actually. Yes, so besides that, right, over here at the kitchen top, there is something over here which is really cool. It's a wine chiller. Bring over. Yeah, so you can see there's a wine chiller over here. That is, temperature is controlled at 5 degrees Celsius. And then,
the cookware.
Yeah, the cookware, it's provided as well. And
everything in the minibar is provided. It's free of charge. You can bring it back. Like, they should have some snack, if I'm not wrong.
If you come into this kitchen, this is where the fridge is, and then the minibar items.
The prawn roll is very nice, I love it.
Yes, so, and then there's the freezer compartment that's at the bottom. What's on top? Nothing.
Nespresso machine is right over there.
And then there are the cooking utensils, the pots and pans. Over here is where you have all the plates and bowls. And then a nice sink for you to do some light cooking. And then there's a stove over here as well as an oven on this side.
I think that you can either you hire a private chef to cook for you, or you can just make a good surprise for your loved one to cook a little bit.
Yeah, and then one thing is if you value your privacy, right, you can actually ask the hotel staff to come in through this door. I believe this would be called the service door.
Correct.
Yeah, so you can actually just leave the food here, and then the the staff can just leave.
Come, we'll bring you to the bedroom now.
Oh, yeah. Before that, one point to note is there's actually a connecting suite which you can book as well if you have a bigger party of more than 5, so the person can stay over at the other side.
Let's go to the bedroom. Follow me. This way.
Okay, so the bedroom as well is very high ceiling.
Okay, you can come over here. I will open the curtain later. Right now. Yeah, you can continue to talk.
Okay, it's a high ceiling as well, and the upholstery as well as the bed linen, as you can see, the thread count is really very fine. So the bed is really soft, and by the bedside are all the necessary items, such as the bedside lamp, and then in front is where a huge TV is. And besides the TV is a dressing table for the ladies to prep themselves, to doll themselves up before the party starts. And there's also a very nice 2-seater sofa over here for your comfort if you want to read before the bedtime.
Okay, let's open the curtain.
Okay.
This one is a manual curtain.
And lo and behold, the city view, so you will overlook Chinatown, which is in the far background, and over here is where it's all the shop houses, the colonial shop houses over here.
Then now we go to the walk-in wardrobe.
Yep.
Wow, is it the design for you to sleep? This is a very special
Yeah,
design.
I'm not sure what is that for though.
No, or maybe something. Oh, it's maybe easier for you to slide down the luggages. Yeah, and they also provide the Virgin Active exercise pack as well.
Yeah.
Inside there are some equipment for you to do some indoor
Yeah,
exercises.
there's a manual provided for as well.
And the ironing board is right over here. Extra pillow is here.
Yeah.
And I think this should be the safe, right? Yes.
Yeah, the in-room safe.
It's huge.
Yeah.
Is that the power supply inside?
No.
No.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the in-room safe. The hairdryer is here.
You want to go to the bathroom now?
Okay,
Let's
let's proceed to the bathroom. It's equally a huge space. The bathtub is slightly of a different design as compared to the Prestige suite which we stayed at. So there's also the bathroom amenities that it's provided for, and it's by Hermes as well. And over here you can take a soak and then have a drink. Yeah, because there's a ledge over here for you to do some reading as well. And if you look over on this side, the fresh towels are all at the bottom shelf. Yeah, and Jim, you want to bring them through the rest of the stuff?
Okay, let me check out the shower or poo-poo area. I'm not sure which one is which.
Yeah, that's the porcelain throne.
Oh, okay. It's quite spacious though. Okay, let's go to the
And that's the
shower
shower area.
area. Oh wow! Come, Sean, come inside.
It's huge.
I think you can have like 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah,
8. It can fit 16 people side by side. And then you have the very cool rain shower over
it's
here.
like cool, right?
Yeah, quite spacious. It's still like in the hammer bath room.
Yeah, with all the granite
Yeah.
walls. And
Come, let's go to the living room now.
okay, let us close this up first.
So, let me show you how the view looks like. Ta-da! I'm not sure you can see clear, but let me try my best to adjust a little bit.
So
This is the view that you can get. The very things that impress me the most in this room is the high ceiling.
yeah,
You come inside here, you don't feel like it's like very compact or how to say.
claustrophobic.
Yeah, it's very comfortable, and then when the curtain light is out, the natural light is very bright inside the whole entire living room. I love it very much.
And I must say that it's a very nice space for like gatherings.
It's a comfortable space
or
to.
even if you have like some event like product launches and stuff like that, right?
Yeah.
Where you just need like a cozy
Place.
guest list.
Yeah.
I think this would actually be quite
like the sound right over here can be very well surrounded by the people. So I think that when someone's standing right at the front, everyone can hear the talk very clear.
Yeah, so the speaker can
easier to talk to the guests as well. So we asked them whether they can rent this room for event, and yes, they can do that. They can offer the service, but we don't know how much it is. But if you are interested to have a private event for your guests, you may drop an email to them if you like this room.
Yeah, so once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Joaquim Suite. It's room number 2008 at Sofitel City Center.
We hope you like the video and goodbye now. Bye.
Okay.